Today, we will study the 13 branches of biology. Although there are many branches of biology, we will focus on the important ones. The first branch is anatomy. The word anatomy comes from the Greek words ana, meaning up, and toum, meaning a cutting. Traditionally, studies of anatomy have involved cutting up or dissecting organisms. It is a branch of biology in which we study the organs and structures found inside our body. For example, the lungs, liver, and intestines, these are all internal organs. The study of these organs is called anatomy. The second branch is morphology. In morphology, we study external structures, those that are on the outside. For example, externally, we have the eyes, nose, and ears. These are external structures. In a honeybee, for example, there are wings, legs, and a head. All of these are external parts. Number 3, physiology. Physiology is the branch in which we study the function of organs. Whether the organs are internal or external, we only study their normal functions. If we study abnormal functions, that becomes pathology. The study of normal functions is called physiology. Whether the organs are external, like the eyes, nose, or ears, or internal, like the lungs, liver, intestines, heart, or brain, each has its own function. So, the study of these functions is called physiology. Number 4, cytology. Cytology comes from cyto, which means cell. So, the study of cells is called cytology. But how do we study cells? We study the structure of the cell and the functions of the components within the cell, and this is called cytology. Number 5, histology. Histology is derived from histo, which means tissue. So, the study of tissues is called histology. Whether it's the structure of tissues or their functions, the study of them is called histology. Number 6, embryology. In embryology, we study the embryo. But what is an embryo? An embryo is an individual organism that is developing inside the body after the sperm and ovum unite in fertilization. I have created a detailed lecture on fertilization. Visit my channel to watch it. The changes that occur in this embryo until a complete organism is formed are studied in embryology. Number 7, environmental biology. From the name itself, environmental biology means the study of the environment. Now, what exists in the environment? Two types of things exist in the environment, living and non-living. The relationships between living and non-living things are what we study in environmental biology. Environmental biology is also called ecology. Number 8, genetics. In genetics, we study the characteristics that are inherited from our parents. This includes the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in living organisms. For example, we often resemble our parents in terms of physical traits and functions. This is explained through genetics. The study of these inherited traits is called genetics. Number 9, biotechnology. Bio means life, and technology refers to the application of science. So, biotechnology is the technology used for the betterment of living organisms. This includes many fields, such as cloning, the production of insulin, growth hormones, and more. Number 10, parasitology. In parasitology, we study parasites. Now, what are parasites? Parasites are organisms that live on or inside a host and benefit themselves while causing harm to the host. For example, mosquitoes feed on our blood and benefit themselves but harm us, making them parasites. The study of these organisms is called parasitology. Another example is lice in animals. They take advantage of the host and cause harm. Number 11, paleontology. In paleontology, we study organisms that no longer exist today. All that remains of them are fossils, like bones. For example, dinosaurs are studied in paleontology. Paleontology is divided into two branches. One branch is paleozoology, the study of animal fossils. And the other is paleobotany, the study of plant fossils. Number 12, marine biology. Marine biology is the study of organisms that live in marine water. Marine water refers to salt water, such as that in the ocean. Number 13. Freshwater biology. Freshwater biology is the study of organisms found in fresh water, like pond water. Freshwater is different from salt water, and the organisms that live there are studied in freshwater biology.